Hello, Scott here from 123 Internet. SEO is essential for online visibility. But even with heavy investment, many websites still stumble over basic yet overlooked mistakes. These errors, often subtle, can quietly sabotage your rankings and traffic. Recognizing and fixing them can transform your SEO success. First, let's talk about crawlability and indexation. Just because a page exists doesn't mean Google will find it. Issues like blocked pages or orphan pages can keep your content hidden. Use tools like Google Search Console to audit your site and maintain a logical linking structure. Next, mobile usability and page speed are crucial. With Google's mobile-first indexing, a slow mobile experience can derail your strategy. Test your site's performance and optimize images and scripts for better speed and usability. Keyword cannibalization happens when multiple pages target the same keywords, diluting your site's authority. Conduct keyword audits to identify overlaps and consolidate content where necessary to clarify focus. Structured data and schema markup can significantly boost your site's visibility by providing context. Implementing schema. Org markup can enhance your listings with rich features like reviews or FAQs. Avoid duplicate or thin content, which Google penalizes. Invest in creating unique, high-quality content for each page to provide real value and drive engagement. Understanding search intent is critical. Align your content with what users are really looking for, whether informational, navigational, or transactional. Internal linking is often underutilized. It distributes link equity and improves crawlability. Thank you for listening. Connect and follow me for further topics and discussions.